Hello everyone, today we're exposing ASGA Network, another cloud mining app claiming you can earn crypto by tapping your phone. But with users reporting they can't withdraw after 60 plus days of mining, is this legit or just another fake mining scam? Let's expose the truth. So ASGA Network is on Google Play, claiming to be a cloud mining simulation where you can mine ASGA coins without using your device's hardware. They promise cloud-based mining, energy-efficient operation, one-click start, referral rewards, and seamless withdrawals. The app has been downloaded 10,000 times and sounds legitimate, but here's the reality. Buried in their app description is the truth. ASGA Network is a cloud mining simulation and does not perform real cryptocurrency mining. Users do not mine real digital assets, and the app does not offer financial services. Translation: you're not mining actual cryptocurrency. The coins you are accumulating have zero real-world value. It's a simulation game disguised as a mining app, and they're not upfront about this until you read the fine print. Let me read actual victim reviews from Google Play. One user completed 60 days of mining and requested a withdrawal. The platform said it would be delivered in 8 working days. After 9 working days passed, they still received nothing. No status showing pending, processing, or failed. Their frustrated review says, "This app is a scam. Don't install and waste your time." Another victim mined for 70 days, submitted a withdrawal request, and a month later still haven't received any coins. Multiple users report the same problem. Mine for weeks, reach withdrawal threshold, request payout, then nothing happens. Users ask the critical question: what are we mining? Points or tokens? And which blockchain can we withdraw ASGA? The answer is none. There's no blockchain, no contact address, no real cryptocurrency. ASGA coins do not exist on any legitimate blockchain network, which means they can't be withdrawn, sold, or converted to real money anywhere. One user pointed it perfectly. No contact address or blockchain to withdraw my tokens after 60 days. The company can't clarify because there's nothing to clarify. The tokens are worthless simulation points. You download the app and start mining fake coins. You watch ads to boost your mining speed, generate real ad revenue for the developers. You recruit friends through referrals, growing their user base and ad revenue even more. After 60 to 70 days of daily engagement, you request withdrawal. The app promises 8 working days but never delivers. You're stuck with worthless simulation coins, while the developers profited from your ad views and referrals. This is a classic engagement farming scam. Keep users hooked with fake numbers going up, harvest ad revenue and data, then make withdrawals impossible or non-existent. ASGA Network makes money from you through ad revenue from every video you watch, your personal data collected through the 19 permissions they request, referral commissions when you recruit friends, and keeping 100% of what you thought you were earning because the coins have zero value. Meanwhile, you invested 60 plus days of daily engagement for absolutely nothing. The final verdict? ASGA Network is a fake mining app and a waste of time. Even if it's not technically stealing your money upfront, it's stealing your time and attention while generating real profit for developers through ads. You will never withdraw those coins because they don't exist as real cryptocurrency. If you want to earn crypto, use legitimate platforms with verified blockchain addresses, transparent tokenomics, and proven withdrawal histories. Don't fall for mobile mining simulation scams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.